Cooking collocations in English. Do the cooking. Meaning: to prepare food. For example, she usually does the cooking at home. Share cooking. Meaning: two or more people cook the food. For example, they share cooking at home. My roommate and I share cooking every week. Home cooking. Meaning: food cooked at home, not in a restaurant. For example, nothing beats the taste of home cooking. We prefer home cooking over takeout. Traditional cooking. Meaning: dishes cooked in accordance with local traditions. For example, she learned traditional cooking from her mother. Vegetarian cooking. Meaning: preparation of plant-based meals without meat or animal products. For example, try new vegetarian cooking recipes with fresh vegetables. Italian, French, etc. cooking. Meaning: the culinary traditions, methods, and dishes associated with the respective countries. For example, Italian cooking emphasizes fresh ingredients and simple preparation. Slow cooking. Meaning: to cook food slowly over a long period of time. For example, slow cooking allows flavors to develop over time. Cooking facilities. Meaning: equipment necessary for cooking. For example, the newly renovated apartment includes a modern kitchen with full cooking facilities. Cooking utensils. Meaning: pots, spoons, knives, etc. that you use when cooking. For example, the kitchen has all the cooking utensils you will need. During cooking. Meaning: during the process of preparing food. For example, stir the sauce occasionally during cooking to prevent sticking. In cooking. Meaning: in the process of preparing food. For example, herbs and spices play a vital role in enhancing flavors in cooking. Who does the cooking in your house? Thank you for watching and listening. Click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more videos. Don't forget to like and share.